So today we are going to discuss about brake test on three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. So if you see this is the panel of the panel to conduct. So brake test on three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. So we will conduct this experiment. So by using so star delta starter. So here if you see this is the main contactor and this is the star contactor and this is the delta contactor. So while conducting this experiment, so we should observe this how the connections will get changed. First mission will start in star mode and then it will convert into delta mode. So now if we look into the circuit diagram, so this is the circuit diagram. So this is the RYB input supply. So here we will see in the panel RYB and L1, L2, L3 and here these six are the stator winding terminals. So if you look into the circuit diagram also, so here also we have RYB main supply, L1, L2, L3. So these are the input terminals to the starter and so A1, C2, A2, B1, B2, C1. So these are the stator winding terminals of the motor. So now let us start the experiment by verifying the circuit diagram. So here, so I connected R phase through an ammeter. So here I am connecting to the common point of the ammeter and another point is I am connecting to so M terminal of the wattmeter and wattmeter MC is shorted and L is given to L1 and next so I am connecting voltmeter across two terminals either RY or YB or PR. So I am connecting so voltmeter across any two terminals and if you see this wattmeter, so this wattmeter, so if you see the connection diagram, so B is connected to the M and MC shorted and L is connected to the L3 and 2 wattmeters voltage terminal. I am using the 300 volts terminal. So I am shorting the two voltage terminals and I am taking one wire from this voltage terminal and I am connecting to so Y phase. So now connections are completed as per the circuit diagram. Now we will start the mission. So by closing the TPST switch. Now I will press the start button. So mission initially started in star mode. Now it will change to delta. Yes. Now it is changed to delta and the mission started running. Now the mission runs at rated speed. So if you see the specifications of the mission, so 1440 RPM. So it will run at rated RPM. Now, so we can also apply the load. So to conduct the brake test, we need to apply the load. So slowly we will apply the load and we will observe the ammeter reading. So now I am using a clamp meter also to check the current. So initially see here. So slowly load is getting applied and the current increases. And if we observe the wattmeter deflections also, so wattmeter also deflecting. So wattmeter also deflected. So we need to measure ammeter reading and 2 wattmeter reading. And finally, if we come into the calculations part, so we will apply the load in steps. We will find the torque and the output power and percentage efficiency, power factor, and finally slip. So this is the experimental procedure. So to conduct the brake test on three-phase squirrel cage induction motor, our main aim is to find percentage efficiency, power factor, and percentage slip. So this is the experimental procedure.